Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about which of the following statement is not true about hallucination. Hallucination is has vivid, has clear, has a real perception. True. It occurs in inner subjective space. False. It occurs in outer objective space. It is independent of will of the observer. True. It occurs in the absence of any perceptual stimulus. True. So it occurs in outer objective space, not in inner subjective space. So these are nothing but the criteria of hallucination. The main criteria of hallucination are: the hallucination will be clear, real, 3D, live, and vivid. Insight is absent in hallucination. It occurs in outer objective space, not in inner subjective space. If the hallucinations occur in inner subjective space, then these are called as pseudo hallucinations. Then these are not under voluntary control. These are not under voluntary control, and sense organs are not involved, and sensory organs are not involved. So these are the 5 criteria of hallucinations. Thank you, and thank you for watching.